Tū moke
moke is a mōteatea and a journey throughout Tauranga Moana, reciting marae, tupuna and sites of significance. Join us as we learn this local waiata and explore our rohe, mai ngā kuri a whare ki te tū.
Ko maua o te mauna, ko Tauranga te moana, ko Matātua te waka, ko Naiterani te iwi, ko Ngā Pōtiki te hapu, ko Tamapahure taku tūrana waiwai, e taku marae.
E tuana au ki te tihi ki Maungamana. Tiro whakararo au ki ngā wai whakarara o rangataua. E miria nei te waiu o taku tohora ki Karikari. Tū mai Tamapahure. Ngā ia taiheke te wahaki Wairakei. Tere tō tika atu ki taumata onuku. Nau mai ki te pā o Mangatawa. The name of our marae is Mangatawa. Nestled below our mountain, Maungamana, on the whenua known as Taumata Onuku. We here at Mangatawa belong to the Ngā Pōtiki Confederation. Our pā is on land gifted by Ngā Pōtiki Hapu, Ngā Tikahu and Ngāti Tauhora, of whom still live on our kāinga. We also have Ngāti Hineamo, Ngā Tikahu Kino and Te Kiriwera. Ngā Pōtiki are a blended people who are native to this land. We also descend from Takitimu and Matātua waka. Our whenua here at Mangatawa is made up of many sites that carry the names of our Takitimu origin. These are Mangatawa, Taumata Onuku, Parehaku, Pekimua, Koheraunui, Te Amo o Huata, Ara te Whatawhata, Pukepoto and Oharahia. We also had an island in Rangatawa Harbour called Ohotu Taihi. Our awa Wairakei originally began here at the inlet to Rangatawa and out to Papamoa. This whole area from Papamoa to Mauao was once called Ka Whainui by Tamatea of Takitimu. He planted a special species of harakeke called Wharawharanui here on Mangatawa. We call it the fairy flax. We are Ngāti Ranginui and Ngāti Rangi through the union of Tai Whanake's 3 daughters to the grandsons of Tamapahure. Tai Whanake of Ngāti Ranginui and Takitimu, Tamapahure of Ngāti Rangi and Matātua. Tamapahure, our meeting house, originally stood at Karikari. This whare was carved by Meihana Te Tawakura and opened in 1886. Te Koti was in the area at the time of his opening. He left the prophecy that the whare would be inherited by animals, which in turn occurred. The whare was unused for many years and was a shelter for cattle when Wahia Maihi decided to pull it down in 1935. Te Koti also left kōrero arohaina tia mai he patapata āwha, which is in reference to the acknowledgement of Ihua, to an ominous feeling he had about the future of the whare. Ngā Pōtiki also had other whare in the late 1800s located at Kairua, named Hauruia and Here Marue. There were no buildings on our present marae complex until 1963, when a group of ki kuia and wahine fundraised to get a building on the site. Their efforts resulted in our wharekai, Ngā Tuahine, who is named so in honour of the dedication of these women to build us a whare. She was opened in 1964 by Puhio Aotearoa, who was the tūmaki o te Hāhi Rātana. Our whare tupuna, Tamapahure, came a few years later, built by the Wharfies with tōtara from Titiko Forest in Taupo. Our whare, he was nameless for some time until a kāhui of Korowa dedicated him once again to our tupuna Tamapahure. Tamapahure has no carvings because both buildings, Tamapahure and Ngā Tuahine, were built for ngā mōrehu o Tauranga Moana. This marae is a Hāhi Rātana pā. Nō reira, kai ngā taringa whakaoko kua karapipiti mai ki te aro o Mangatawa. Tēnā koutou, kia tau te rangi Mārie ki a tātou kapua.